together for Christmas break. And I am working on my little proposal for my girls. And this is what I'm doing. I have a little box that I got for really cheap, just a couple cents in Hobby Lobby deals. And then I'm going to be putting a ribbon and another ribbon. And on the inside, it says, I can't imagine tying the knot without you. Will you be my bridesmaid? And it's got this cute little knot. I'm gonna write some more now. This one's for my next friend, Chelsea. I'm so excited to ask them. Mary. Aww, Mary. And for my sisters, they're gonna be my matron of honors, but their stuff's not here yet. It's not gonna arrive till later, so I'll do a separate thing for that.
It is.
Babe, does it just sound like I'm talking to myself?
Yeah.
Do I sound crazy right now?
A little bit. Not missing.
And it's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. Babe, I'm so excited to give it to them. Babe, I'm so excited. So far, this is the progress. I got one. Oh, crooked. And two. And I'm filling them with little hearts. Okay. And I'm improvising because I don't have tissue paper. So I have these strings. And I am doubling them up like so. And then, so it's like, you know, half. So you cut it, make half a heart. So now I've got 1,000,000 hearts to stuff in this bag. You have to get approval from fiance first, and he said it was cute, right? Right, babe? You thought it was cute? Like this, and cross it in the back. Like this. And then it looks like this. I'm gonna trim like this. Cute. So I've hit a really bad roadblock. Babe, what do I do?
Try your best, but you don't succeed.
Thanks. So what I did is I taped this. Wow, all done, all done. Yay.
Call Raymond Suho.
Woohoo. You be my bridesmaid? Yes, I will be. Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be a great wedding, guys.
Oh my god! Yes, of course! So excited! You like it? I love it! Okay, buddy. What? Will you be a bridesmaid? Are you gonna cry?